save us. You will save us. You will save the Daleks. 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 Save. You will let us enter. We will enter. We are the Daleks. You will let us enter. We have arrived, Doctor. What do you know of the Dalek Asylum? It is offensive to us to extinguish such divine hatred. Does it surprise you to know the Daleks have a concept of beauty? Perhaps that is why we have never been able to kill you.
They're slow. The door at the end. Just run. Now, now, now!
Exterminate! 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 The Asylum is destroyed. Incoming teleport from Asylum planet. We are under attack. Prepare to defend. 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 Explain, Dalek Supreme.
You know, you guys should really have seen this coming. The thing about me and teleports, I've got a really good aim. Pinpoint accurate, in fact. Or, to put it another way... Suckers!
Identify yourself! Identify! Identify!
But it's me. You know me. The Doctor. The oncoming storm. The Predator.
Titles are not meaningful in this context. Doctor Who?
Doctor Who? Doctor Who?
That was when. Oh, you did it to them all.
Who?
You beauty.
Doctor Who? Doctor Who?
Fellas,
Doctor
you're never gonna stop asking.